Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I did this easy marble nail design with dip powders and gold chrome powder. So let's get right into the video. So I apply my Cherael Sky bond to dehydrate my nail. If you don't have any bond, you can also use acetone or rubbing alcohol. Now I apply 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nail. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and dip into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nail and also to protect my natural nail from the color. This is also an optional step. So I did 3 layers of my light purple dip powder on my nail. This dip powder is known as Lola from Revel nail. So I place a thin layer of base on the whole nail and then I poured the dip powder on the nail. Now in a container, I placed the light purple dip powder, the dark purple dip powder, and some of the black dip powder, and swirl it together to get the marble effect. Then I placed base on the whole nail and laid my thumb into the marble mixture and rocked the nail from side to side. I did another layer after that to get more of the dark purple on the nail. I thought I was filming but I wasn't, but all I did was apply some of the dark purple, the powder, to the mixture and swirl it, and then I placed base on the whole nail and laid my finger into the mixture. So now I place 3 layers of the clear dip powder to encapsulate the nail. Then I placed activator on the nail, waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nail. Now using my Mother One's gel top coat, I just place some lines on the nail. Be careful when doing this. Try to not make the lines too thick. I accidentally made the lines too thick the first time and it didn't look right at all. I'd leave a picture right here. It's not that bad, but I like the lines a little thinner. Then I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then I rubbed my Mother One's gold chrome on the nail. Then I dusted off the excess, waited about a minute, and then I applied my Mother One's gel top coat to the whole nail and cured for 30 seconds. Then I waited for the nails to cool down, then I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nail, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!